Welcome to the upgraded CoasterNet.com main form page. As you can see here, we have a slightly different color scheme to fit with the new form software. First thing we're going to want to do is sign in, so I click sign in here in the upper right hand corner. Scroll down here a little bit and you see enter username, so I enter my username and password, and then if I click sign in, you'll see I get transferred to the main page here. At the main page here, you can see not much different. I have my credentials up here in the upper right hand corner, a little drop down where I could pick, okay, do I want to go to my profile, my settings, messenger, manage friends, manage ignored users. But we'll just take a quick look here at the main page. You can see here you got a slightly different layout here. We have recently added topics on the right hand side, so you can be up to date on what's currently happening. This area over here will be flexible, so me and the other administrators could add new features like recently posted topics or recent posts, new members, stuff like that. That'll be added in the future, but you can see here recently added topics. I can quickly go to any of these topics. If for say you don't want that, you can always click this little X here in the upper right hand corner and it disappears over onto the right hand side. You could also do something similar in any of these forms, like say, oh, I don't read the games form or whatever. I could just click this little minus sign right here and it goes up and I don't even have to pay attention to that. I'm just going to leave this out for now. If you notice here, big improvement on this form is you see my username here and this little green icon next to it. If I click that, my user details load. So I mean, this is handy, so you don't have to go into everybody's individual profile. You could just pop up quick here, see that, okay, he's an administrator, he's made 11 posts, he joined this day, he's last active today. And then you could also click and find, okay, do I want to add him as a friend, PM this member, find topics that he's posted, or find posts that he's done. So this is pretty handy here. This reputation down here is something I'll explain a little bit later, so I'm just going to exit out of this for right now. So if we scroll down here, not much has changed on the main page. We still have the upcoming calendar events, member birthdays, newest members, total posts, most online, yada yada yada. Still have the moderating team, who posted the most today, overall top posters in today's active content. So if we go up here, I guess first I'll show you some new posting things. If we go into this test form I created here, you can see an announcement has been posted by Coaster SimFan. And then we see a topics here. Pinned is no longer separated, just has a little icon out in front, but it will remain on top. You see here the green icons are also still there, so if you want to, just a quick, okay, who is this member? So if we go here, just view a topic, view this welcome topic. You can see here all the introductory message, have the avatar, what group they're in, how many posts, you got the reply, multi-quote. These colors will change in the future. You see here, there's this little thing down the right hand corner. This is what's new in this form software is reputation. So say like, okay, I really appreciate this post, it made sense, it was worthwhile to the topic. I can click a plus and it goes up 1 point. So now I have 3 reputation points on this topic. Scroll down here, I see, okay, this is a test post. Well, that's kind of pointless, it's useless, and really does not contribute anything to the form. So what I could do is I can give it a minus sign. That knocks it down, so it has -3 reputation. So what happens is over the course of hundreds of topics and hundreds of posts is it sees, okay, is the user posting good stuff or is it posting bad stuff? Like you see here, okay, the same user had a +3 on that post, but this post is -3. So that adds up into a total reputation. So like these 2 posts combined would have a reputation of 0, which is average. So if you just go down here, and then this total reputation could be seen in your profile. It sort of gives an idea, okay, does this member post worthwhile stuff or do they sort of spam and post useless stuff? So if you go down here, you can see you have your embedded quotes, a bunch of embedded ones here. I was just testing for some skinning issues. You have your fast reply here, like you normally do. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a reply. So if I click add reply right here, add reply, it'll take me to the new posting screen. What's new with this form software is the nice rich text editor. So I could write, this is a test. But say I want that bold. I could then select the text, hit the B right here for bold, and okay, it's bold. So I could check this in real time. I could also do stuff like X squared, relatively easy. And this makes editing a lot easier. I could pick font size, like I could select that text and I want that, okay, size, select that and make it size 7 or there we go, size 7. So now I have that there. It's pretty self-explanatory. You have emotions here, links, insert email address. What's actually pretty cool with this is instead of before we had to do like a YouTube tag to post videos, what this will allow us to do is you just click right here for insert media, and then the link comes up, so then you can just go to a video, copy and paste the address to the entire video and paste it in, insert media, and bam, it pops up. You don't have to worry about YouTube. This will work for Google videos, YouTube videos, many other types of videos. Okay, what's actually pretty nice in this form now is you see attachments here. I can click browse. Say I want to upload a couple images that I have here, so I'll go to totems. This is an orientation thing I went on freshman year. You can see here I have a list of files. On the old form software, you would have to upload these individually. Now, for instance, I could hold down Control. Oops, it's not working. Oh, that's because in my profile settings, so if I go up here to my settings and go to my profile, you could see here, okay, under posting settings on this main page, enable Flash Uploader. I'm probably going to want to check that as yes because it's really nice for uploading. So I can click Save Changes. Okay, there we go. My savings are changed. So if I go back to the main form area, and I'll go back in and try posting that message again, which is the simple media. So I go to this welcome topic. I'm going to add a reply, get the link for my video again. Go back to the form software. Okay, here I am. I'm going to insert the media as my video. Okay, then I go down, I click, see here, click to attach files. I click there, go to the folder, oops, go to the folder with the images I want. Now I could hold down Control and select multiple images. So there I selected 5 images. Click Open. You can see here this nice Flash uploader. It just uploads the images and then it just attaches at the end. I also have the option, like say here I scroll down, I could attach this to the post, so it's right there. Then once that's done, I can go down and click Add Reply. Okay, now you can see my post here. The YouTube video was automatically embedded. This is the image I added to the post, and then you can see the other images attached here. If I click on the image, this nice little light box comes up with the image, comes out, and if I just click anywhere off the image, it closes. So that's pretty nice new features there in terms of posting. Now say I want to look at some new member features. So okay, I'm going to click on Coaster BGW here, go to his user profile, and you can see here, ooh, he has a status now. He has his About Me, I haven't configured it yet. Just my general information, contact information, who I'm friends with. You can leave comments for the user like you can in the old form. And here's the reputation thing showing up again. So this you see here, I only have 1 reputation point, so it's neutral. And then eventually after so many reputation points, it becomes, you know, good member or bad member in terms of their posting ability, which is configurable by the administrators. And you see here I could add them as a friend, so I'm going to click that. Oop, friend request has been sent, and then I have it there. I also have the nice new ability to send them a message, so I click send a message, testing, hello sir, and I can click send, message sent, excellent. Okay, so now if I go up here to here, we go to my messenger, I could see that I just sent this. And what's new in this form software is you used to be able to sort of have a one-to-one conversation, and it was very much like an email, so one message back and forth, one message. Now it's more like a form topic, so you can see here, this is the message I just sent to Coaster BGW. It actually looks like a form topic. And so I could just send a reply without there, and he could view both of these replies at the same time, and it's not 2 separate messages. And then he could post back, okay, so there's my 2 messages, and then he can come back and fill in another post. And what's neat here is I could actually invite more participants up to this conversation. So say I want to have a conversation with 3 people, I can click Add right here, find the member name, CFS, Coaster Sim Fan, and add them to the conversation. So now he will be invited and have a link to this conversation where he could post replies, talk with us, see what we have already posted. So we have that there. So let's see, what else? We have, actually I think that's about it. Still have the calendar feature here. Yep, just typical stuff that form software has. If you have any questions, just post back in this form topic. Thank you.